I wish I was cool enough to talk to her.
As Jimmy trails off, 3 thoughts follow, and Billy walks up to him.
Hey, loser! You being depressed again or something? Let me tell you something. The only way you'll ever be able to talk to her is if you take these. I got them from my brother. They're called shrooms, and guess what? He told me you could probably even grow your legs back.
Really? Oh my god, where can I get some?
Meet me after school on the roof and bring money.
I've come for the drugs.
You got the cash?
Here, it was my whole month's savings.
Good. Here, take it. You have to eat it for it to work. And don't tell anybody that you got it from me.
Finally, I'll be able to walk. Okay, so I just eat it?
Oh, sorry. This is the wrong room. Wait, what are you doing to me?
Oh, it's Veronica. It's you. Don't tell anyone, but it's shrooms.
Wait, no, don't do it. They're very harmful to you.
I'm doing this for you, Veronica. I will finally have the courage to tell you how I feel, and I'll grow my legs back. Don't you want this for me?
I would never like anyone who harms their body like that.
Veronica, wait!
No, Jimmy, I'm done with you. Hey, what are you doing? Jimmy, you're not trying to trash those drugs, are ya? I went through hell to get those.
Billy, I don't want any trouble. Please, just take them back.
No refunds.
Wait, please, I don't want any trouble.
Then eat the damn shrooms. Billy, stop. What do you want, Cousin Veronica? If you hurt him, I'm going to tell your mom about you and your drugs. Wait. Ugh. Fine.
Thank God, Veronica. I thought I was gonna die.
You would have if you took those drugs.
Thank you. Magic mushrooms are a dangerous drug. They may not kill you from overdosing, but your actions while under the influence of the drug can lead to dangerous situations, just like Billy. Yes, this whole time he was under the influence of magic mushrooms. The drug may not take many people's lives compared to other drugs, but that doesn't mean it isn't dangerous. Nonetheless, please be careful who you surround yourself with. And with that, stay safe.